Hi, I'm Joel, and this is our power front disc brake conversion kit for 1967 to 69 Ford Mustangs. It's our part number FC00002-3405A. And this kit fits cars equipped with an automatic transmission. You'll get everything needed to mount factory-style disc brakes to the original drum brake spindles. And we keep the install easy by using all the factory mounting locations. Let's check out what's included with this kit. You'll get the installation instructions, along with a 1-inch bore dual bowl master cylinder made into a 9-inch slimline power booster. We've also included an adjustable proportioning valve, which allows you to fine-tune the amount of pressure at your rear brakes to prevent wheel lockup. You'll also receive the brake lines necessary to route from the master cylinder to your factory distribution block, as well as a new factory-style power brake pedal that installs to the factory pedal support without further modification. This kit uses our standard 11-inch rotors, zinc-plated cast iron calipers with stainless steel pistons. We also have red and black powder-coated caliper upgrades available. Check it out on our site for additional fitment and application notes. Like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at LEED Brakes, where you can share photos and videos of your ride with us by using #ForTheWidePedal.